Welcome to the CleansterPro app, a new and improved way for cleaning professionals to connect with clients. Here's how to change your payout method. The Earnings tab is where you can view your payout history and modify the payment method. To change or add a payment method, click the Payout Method tab. Here you will see all your added payment methods. You can also add another method by clicking here. Make sure you have selected a payout method as default. This will ensure you receive payments on time. At the top, you could see any earnings that are yet to be processed. Automatic processing happens twice a day, at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time and 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. You can click on a transaction to view more details. If you require further assistance, please visit www.cleanster.com.